right, have you been waiting for a new short style? I got one I think you're gonna like. I'm so excited to have some new short styles to show you. Now, I love my bobs. I love some mid-length. I like some longer styles. I can style and put in ponytails and things, but I always go back to a short pixie cut. I just love them. Y'all, this was sent to me by wigs.com. If you look in the drop-down box below this video, just expand that drop-down box, you're gonna see a link to this wig that includes a discount code. So if you're interested in this, just go down to the drop down box and there will be a link there to wigs.com. Now, this short fun style from Raquel Welch. This is called Curated Cut and the color is Shaded Biscuit, one of my favorites, RL 1923SS. It's part of the Signature collection. I love the nape on this. This has that little bit longer nape, so if you have hair, that grows down on your neck a little bit, this has enough that I think length that will cover that. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this style. Look how adorable this is. It's just like this short, shaggy style. It has this long sweeping bang, which is so popular, right? Throw on and go. This is made from the True to Life heat-friendly fibers, so be sure if you're going to add any curl to this, which would be really cute, be sure to keep your styling tools 275 to 300 degrees. So, curated cut. The fit for me, I found that this fit a tad large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this was a little bit big on me, but nothing that I couldn't take care of easily with the adjusters. But look at the style of this, y'all. I just gravitate toward these fun, short, throw on and go styles. That's the beauty of wig wearing, isn't it? We can wear something long one day, something fun and short one day. It depends on what I have on. In the winter time, I like these kind of shorter styles if I'm wearing a turtleneck or something that's going to have a lot of friction. With a longer wig, I tend to look for something a little shorter like this. This has permatease, so let me tell you that. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap in a minute. There's an extended lace front here, but there's no mono features, so there is permatease in this wig for sure, giving it this lift and volume that we're seeing here. I fell in love with this right out of the box. Okay, let's quickly look at the inside of the cap of Curated Cut. So it has that extended lace front that we talked about. No mono features here. This has the Memory Cap 3. I love that. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, just the basic cap, except it has the extended lace front. And again, like I said, there is permatease running through this wig. Now let's talk about Shaded Biscuit. I'm going to show it to you in two different types of lighting. Y'all, this is a light ash blonde. You've seen me show it to you so many times before. It also has cool platinum running through here, and then of course the darker root. Now in this lighting, and I'm no longer using studio lights. I have one ring light and all these banks of windows. Even in this lighting, I feel like the root looks darker than it does in person. That's why I like to show it to you outside in some different lighting so you can get a true sense of how the color is on this wig. It is beautiful, and I think this is available in around 37 different colors. Now the front of this is 5. So it has that 5-inch bang. Now you could cut a bang straight across if you wanted, however you want to do it. I just like a sweeping bang that I can kind of piece out a little bit. That's just my preference. The sides of this are 3, the back is 4. The crown is 5, and the nape, as we talked about, is a little longer at 2.5 inches. So it has that longer nape. It's not going to lift. You can move your head around anyway. It's not going to lift off your neck, and it only weighs 2.9 ounces. So the beauty of this is, for me, is that you can style this and piece it out. I have some wig wax I'm just going to put on it. I like to get my hands in my wigs, y'all. I'm not a fan of a lot of fixed hair. I like to be able to get my hands in it. Don't be afraid to manipulate the fibers how you want them. I like an off-the-face look, but like I said, you can wear this in a bang. Wear the bangs down more. If you want to sweep it off your forehead, you can do it that way and just wear the bang down. It's adorable. That's the beauty of this wig. It has a little bit of a wave, just enough that I feel like you can do a lot with it. You can put it behind your ears easily. I'd say this is a medium density on this. Easy to wear behind your ears. Wear it with a headband, get it completely up and off your face, pin it back. Lots of different ways to wear it. It's a winner. It's a 10 out of 10. Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at this fun style from Raquel Welch, Curated Cut. I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know, have you tried this wig? I am so curious to know if any of you have tried this yet, or if you're going to, and if so, what color. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.